Hi, so this is a step-by-step guide on how to easily import files onto the server. So my recommendation is for you to zip whatever files you want to put onto the server. I know more specifically your aces and pies files, you'll want to zip those and move them to the server, and then use the AutoPlus software to actually import those into the database. And so the quickest and easiest way to do this is to make sure with your remote desktop client that you have the right resources checked. Unfortunately, because you guys are remote desktoping into the server and you don't live on the same network as the server, the only way to do it is to use the remote desktop client, and it's fairly straightforward. And I think once you have the local resource, which is the drive, checked, you'll never have to go back and do this every time you connect to the server. So again, like I said, this is a step-by-step guide. So you go in and you find your remote desktop client. You make sure you have the right IP address, and then you go down here and show options. And then you navigate over to the local resources. And down here, you'll want to hit more and make sure that the drives box is checked. Normally, it's unchecked, so make sure you check it and even drill down and make sure that, you know, at a minimum your C drive is checked, and whatever other drive that's on your local computer that you want to provide access to or grant access to. So once that's done, you just hit OK and you hit connect. I'll prompt you to connect. Hit yes. And then I had my credentials saved, that's why it didn't prompt me for a password. But so this is now connected to the server, and if I just take a file that's sitting on my desktop, and then I Control C, and I go over to the server and I Control V, it showed up right there. So that's how easy it is to do it. Because you guys don't sit on the same network, it's not possible to create a shared drive, but you can establish a shared connection between your local drive and the server using the remote desktop client. So I hope this helps. Bye.